Hi everyone friends, welcome back to my channel, and today for repair we have a Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 phone. As you see, it's not in very good condition, the screen is cracked, it's not working, and the back cover as well, it has a scratch, some damages. See, the frame is deformated, so I already ordered a genuine part for this phone, and so let's start to disassemble. First, what we need, as always, don't forget to take out the SIM tray, but here we didn't have it, that's why we didn't take it out. And as well, don't forget to turn off your phone. Okay, so now we can try to take out the back cover. It will be easily because I can damage it. I have ordered a new one, we will replace it. Okay, here we have a fingerprint scanner, as you see. Yep. So we need to carefully push it from that place. I guess, yep. It's only glued, so try to take it out very carefully. There is a flex, so don't damage it. Okay, from this side, from other side. Okay, as you see, I already take that out. Nice. What we have here, nothing interesting. Okay, I guess this is a okay. So what we have here, we need to unscrew all those green screws, and in the bottom we have here couple black ones. Okay, so I will come back when I unscrew those screws. Okay, I already done it. So now we need to remove the plastic guard of the motherboard. As you see, yep. And the flex was, no, it's not glued. Everything alright. Okay, what we have next? Next we need to disconnect the fingerprint scanner, then main flex and the LCD flex, and the battery flex. Okay, what next? We should check if there is any screw that holding the motherboard. No, there isn't any, but we have here our tiny cable that is hidden. See, we need to disconnect it, as always, carefully, and take it out a bit. Yep, that's it. So now we can try to take out the motherboard, and what we have here is holding on something, or no? No, it's not holding on anything. Okay, what we have here? Nothing, yep. Okay, we have here speaker, and then okay, now what next? We should take a new LCD and look what we have and what we don't have. We don't have here dynamic, so we need to take it out carefully, very carefully. Okay, and put it here. And next we need to take out what is this? Okay. I think it's sensor, but I don't know of what it is. This is sensor, yep. And it's only glued, so I need to heat it. Okay, what next? We have here this flex of volume down, volume up, and power button. We need to take it out as well, very careful, because it's tiny flex and you can easily damage. Okay, here as well. Nice. You see, up. That's it, I guess. Yes. What we have here? To put it in the place properly, as you see. Yep, like that. I need to use the glue, I guess. Yes. Okay. Or no. Okay, next we need to put back the... No. First peel the plastic out here. Okay. Now we can put this thing back. Guess, yes. It's in the place. Okay. Good. Next we need to take off the downboard gourd plastic. Okay. It's taken out easily. What we have here? We have here only one screw that holding it. So let's unscrew it. Yep, that's it. Now it must be okay. Yep, it's come off. Be careful, there is tiny cable. I didn't disconnect, I just take it out with everything. So now you must to take out the vibrate motor as always. Okay, put it back. Okay, now we can put back the downboard. Okay, need to check. It's in the place now. You need to screw it back with the screw. Nice. Put back in the rockstack small tiny cable. That's it. What we have here? Nothing. Put back the plastic gourd. Yep. Good. Here we need to connect our small tiny cable in this place. I will do it and come back as you see this one. Okay, I already connected and put it in the rock stack, as you see. It's hard. So next we need to take out the battery. This is my favorite part of the job. You need to heat it, but very careful. You remember, the battery can explode. So I will come back when I done it. Okay, this time it was easy, so. Okay, now we can put back the battery and try to connect everything, all these flexes. Okay, good here as well. What we need next, we can put, no, we need to connect the fingerprint scanner, and then we can put the plastic guard, and what we see here, everything is okay, so we can screw it by the screws. I will come back when I done it. Okay, I screw all the screws back, so now we can try to put back our new cover. As you see, just I want to check is everything in the proper places. No, as you see, no, we have, I need to take out the one thing. Okay, now it's okay. I need to take NFC and put it here, as you see. So hit with the fan, take it out very carefully, you know, not to damage. Okay, so now we can put back the cover in its place, I guess, and it will fit. Maybe not, maybe yes. As you see, yes, it fits perfectly. Now I need a SIM tray with a SIM card. Okay, what we have here, where is the first SIM? Must be here, I guess. Okay, like this. Yep. And what we can try to connect it to the charger, and what we have here, 3%. Try to power on. And we will see what's wrong, or everything is alright. Yes, everything is alright. So we finished this restoration. As you see, it looks brand new. Works as well. I forget to ask my friend about the pin code, so I don't know. He didn't tell me nothing about it. So see you next time on our next video. Bye.